Hello, this is the real-time Forex trader. We're looking at scalping the euro dollar. We just had a quick 3-pip scalp. The market's pulled back. I've put the short on again. 63.8. We'll get one on there. Let's open this up. So what do we get there? 66.4. Got two shorts on now. I don't want too many on at the bottom of the market because this might be the point, these 62s, at which it can't go lower. But if we're offered a quick profit on this, we'll take it. So as you can see, these are trend lines. These are exponential moving averages. Purple at 20, blue at 50, brown at 100. The market nicely below the trend lines on the 1 minute chart. But as you can see, there's a bottom forming here around about 62. And there's obviously enough buyers down there at the moment to hold the sellers back. So is this the bottom of the market? Is it going to have a pullback? Yeah, up to 70 now. It's looking like it would have been a good scalp as a buy, 65 to 70. You've got to be brave to buy in a falling market, but the market does have pullbacks. So we shorted at 66. We could get another one on here around 70. 71 even. I think we'll have one on there. Now we're waiting for the sellers to come back in. Are they tempted to sell at 70? Is this all the reversal has? Or is it going to continue? Looking like it's just drifting down now, which is what we want to see. And we just want to see some sellers step back into the market, drive the price back down. So getting in a position to close out. One pip, one profit, one trade on side. Two still making losses. Our average selling price 103.67.2. So we're about 2 pips out of the money at the moment. This beginning to look like it might pull back all the way to 103.75. So how far is it going to pull back, and will this downtrend be re-established? This beginning to look like an uptrend establishing itself. If we don't see sellers come back in at 75, we probably need to be out of it. I mean, we've seen similar here around about the 90 level. Good couple of pullbacks. Buyers shaking short sellers out of the market. I mean, that's a 10-pip reversal. That'll get a lot of short sellers out. So, where is this taking us? Where are we going with this? Quarter an hour till the hour comes up. Yeah, I'd expect more sellers to come in on the hour. Right, where are you going with this market? So these previous pullbacks, 87, 97, good 10 pips. 75, 84, 10 pips. Now we are playing the game of cat and mouse. Where is the market taking this? Yeah, we've been in this trade about 10 minutes now. It's not turned out to be a quick scalp. The market's pulled back against us, but at some stage the sellers may well step in. So we've got a few there. We're just looking for more sellers to step in again. A few more. Just beginning to turn this. And the question is, can we turn this 1 minute chart into a downtrend again? It's beginning to look like we can. One position in profits, two still out. I think we'll get another short on there. We'll set the stop loss at just over 75. 57. I'm going to take profit down here at 53, something like that. That's in case we get a spike lower and we can have a quick profit. And then look for the next trade. So, is this re-establishing the downtrend? It's beginning to look that way. The question is are we going to break through this 60? Are we going to break through 62s? But if we're offered a good profit down there, I'll probably take it. In fact, if anything, I think we'll take this one off first if we're offered profits. And I might be tempted to let one or two run if it can break through this, because it will be the continuation of the downtrend. So let's adjust these. $61. And then that one we might put at 59. Put it at 58. Right. They're nicely set. They're just looking for this downtrend to continue, or an opportunity to take profits and wait for a pullback. Trying the market at 64s. Well, definitely buyers down here lifting it off the bottom. What I don't want to be caught in is this being the bottom of the market and it just not going any lower, and we're stuck in shorts right at the bottom of the market. See this hesitating around this level. So this is unfolding live in front of your eyes. It's a live trade. We'll see where this takes us. It's not as easy trading live as it is looking at books. See, this time it's lifted off 64. Unless this can come down again. I would be concerned that it's going to start coming up. Basically on the grounds that the sellers this time couldn't get it lower than 65, whereas last time it was 62s. It tends to make you think that the sellers have run out of steam and the buyers are happy to buy at that level. But we'll give it a bit more time. $10 till 2 o'clock. I'd have expected some sellers to come in at 2. I might adjust that down slightly. And this just grinding off the bottom. So this is the reality of Forex trading. It isn't all sitting around swimming pools and glamour and fast action. Sometimes it's patience. Sometimes it's waiting for the market to regain its trend or to establish a new one. Where is this going? We need this high to be lower than this one to confirm we're still in a downtrend. So where is it heading? It's going to be slow afternoon. Buyers just gradually lifting it higher. I think we're going to be in this now till 2 o'clock, is my guess. Pound dollar doing the same, grinding higher. Just turning. Right, is this where we're going to see some sellers step in? So we've got 4 shorts on at the bottom of the market. I'm tempted to think that we might have the stop loss set a bit tight. Oh, that's more than enough. Don't really want it spiking much above 75. 77, 78 being quite possible. Sellers getting a bit more tempted now. Are the sellers going to come in around these levels, and are we going to make new lows? So nearly just under 5 minutes to go till 2 o'clock. It's just grinding up as we head to the hour. I'm going to adjust these slightly down as we come up to the hour, because if we're going to get a move down, it ought to be quite a good one. They're just grinding up and grinding up. That would have been a good short round about 75, but I've already got 4 on. I think that's enough for now. We'll let the market show its hand at 2 o'clock. And we'll see if that pushes it lower. That beginning to look like a very good scalp. A short on there at 75. That's just the sort of trade that is a super scalp. And you'd have been in and out of that in a minute. And a nice, you probably had 3 pips out of that very quickly. Lovely scalp in the direction of a falling market, just coming off the bottom. Right, where are we going with this? Where are we going? 1.5 minutes to go. Well, just under 1 minute to go. I don't think the market will have a run higher before the hour, but who knows? Probably won't, because it's had this 103.75 rejected. I think now everybody's waiting to see what happens on the hour. Right, where are you going, market? Yeah, bit of activity before the hour, people putting positions on. Right, where's this taking us? So nowhere in particular is the answer to that. Nowhere in particular. I think now I'm looking for a way out of this. I think this overall downtrend may have finished. And it's going to be time to try and get out of this trade alive. Some sellers in now. One position back on side. Can they establish the downtrend again? Well, it's looking likely. It's possible. Two positions on side. We're in overall profit. Market grinding lower. Sellers definitely testing 65. Question is, are they going to step in again and break it below 62s? There was a profit to be had here, and we could put the shorts on again. 64, 4-pip pullback. That would have been worth having. Right, now, are the sellers going to step in again? Now we've got up to the 70s. It's definitely rejecting around this 64 level. 62, 64. Is it going to go through it? Hmm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times it's been down testing these levels. course, the seller's up here at 75s. That would have been a nice 10 pips profit. Lovely scalp. That's a good scalp as well there. 72 down to 64. Good 5 pips to be had out of there. Now the market going sideways. Grinding up again into the 70s. So you can see these trend lines, they're going flat. This is just what we don't want to see. This looking like it's going to bump along for hours. So if that was 64, I'm tempted to change all of these to 65. And if we can come out with a quick profit, we will. We'll take it. Here we go, getting close. Might get filled any second. Bang, filled, scalped, job done. On to the next trade. Thank you for watching. Please give me a like. Please subscribe.